In this short video, we'll clear up a common mistake. Some people say 2 plus 2 equals 5. Let's walk through why 2 plus 2 actually equals 4. Imagine you have 2 red apples. Now you get 2 more apples. When you count all of them, you'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4, not 5. So when you add, you are combining groups and counting everything together. 2 plus 2 gives 4, because there are 4 items in total. Now, let's do another example in Persian. 6 plus 7. حالا به زبان فارسی فرض کنید 6 چیز داریم. پس 7 چیز دیگر اضافه می‌کنیم. حالا همه را با هم شمارش می‌کنیم. 6 به اضافه 7 برابر است با 13. پس 6 به اضافه 7 مساوی 13 است. شمارش همه اقلام به صورت جمع نتیجه درست را به ما می‌دهد. To summarize in English, addition means combining groups and counting everything together. If you ever wonder about sums like these, try grouping and counting. It always gives the correct result.